Akudo, you're trying me. I will deal with you. Akudo, you're trying me, Akudo. I will kill you yourself, Akudo.
Leave my husband alone. Leave my husband alone.
Akudo, what are you doing?
How will you
respect yourself?
Leave my husband alone.
I will kill you. I will kill you. You don't do anything, Akudo. You don't do anything.
You should stop fighting now. Stop fighting.
I'm getting out here. What's going on now?
I will take. I will kill you now.
Sorry, man. Touch me again. You know what? I'm going to fire at home.
What take you, Dola? The way you want to fight? Come back and fight, Joe. Come back and fight. You want to fight?
Your wife slapped you.
Your wife slapped you.
I am waiting for you at home.
Hey.
Come back to the house.
Come back and fight, you don't want to fight again.
Hey.
Come back and fight. Oh yeah,
your wife slapped you.
It's nonsense woman.
It's okay. Anayo, second slap in 2 minutes. Hey, from east and west, slap is landing on your face. You see, this is my cheek. He's too fragile for a slap to land on it. Never! Anna. What did I do?
You are still here talking. Are you still here talking? You don't want to go. You don't want to go. You must say you want to fight? You will fight me today. Hey, where is she? Where is that one? Akudo, come on. You want to fight?
Akudo, come on.
Fight.
Asamoah.
Come on, fight me. Hey, Asamoah. You want to fight, Abi?
What is it?
You want to fight? No. You think you're mad?
Stop that now.
I will beat you with this place.
No. Don't let her be.
Come on, fight.
Hold on.
Who are you? What are you? Only this small. This.
Wait, Wait, stop. No, stop it. At the front of Etienne, you should respect him. Hey! Police, stop it! Hey, boys! Take them to the owner chest house. Owner chest tomato. Quickly! Move it, everybody.
Hey, where's my key? Daddy has plans. She has plans.
I want to make Asamoah my second wife.
You can give the house to yourself.
Mama, you don't have to blame me.
Anaya, you must go with me today.
I will change it for you. I will change it
You
for
must
you.
go home with
Leave
me.
me alone. No.
Leave him now. What's your problem? You are going home with me today.
What's your problem, Akudo?
Leave me alone.
What's your
No.
problem, Akudo?
You want to naked me? You want to naked me?
You are already naked. You were naked while you watch this Boro Pit. You're going home with me today.
Who told you it's Boro Pit?
It's Boro Pit.
Thank you, my brother.
I know it's Boro Pit.
He said it's not Boro Pit.
All the two wives.
Also, no Boro Pit.
All the two wives.
Madam, you want to move that okay? Leave him alone. You want to teach you. You should be ashamed of yourself, Akudo.
You naked me. You
Look
naked
at
me.
you.
You will get me here.
You naked me.
You must go home with me, Anaya. You are going home with me.
Everybody's seen it.
Two of you will give me today.
Anaya, can't you talk?
Leave. I will change it for you.
Change it for who?
Akudo, what's your problem?
Change it for who, Anaya? Change it for Onye.
You want to fight me? You want to fight me?
Two of you will give me today.
What is your problem now? Leave it. Put up your hand. Leave it. Leave. Okay, you know what to go. I am holding her. No, I'm holding her. I'm holding her.
No, it's not. She didn't.
Leave her. Leave her out of the logo. I will kill you. Leave her.
No,
Run
Sister
away.
Pando.
Run now. Run away.
Run! But after running, you meet me at home. You can meet him no longer.